Hey there, health enthusiasts. Ever wondered why mushrooms should be a staple in your diet? Let's dive into the amazing benefits these fungi have to offer. First up, mushrooms are packed with B vitamins. They're rich in riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid, which are crucial for energy production and brain health. Next, let's talk about vitamin D. When exposed to sunlight, mushrooms can produce tons of vitamin D2, essential for bone health and immune function. Wild or UV-exposed mushrooms have even higher levels. Mushrooms are also a great source of antioxidants, like selenium and ergothioneine. These antioxidants help protect your cells, reduce inflammation, and support your immune system. And guess what? Mushrooms are low in calories and fat, but still filling because of their fiber and protein content. Perfect for weight management and heart health. Speaking of fiber, mushrooms contain beta-glucans, which enhance your immune function and might even lower cholesterol. They're also a moderate source of protein, making them excellent for plant-based diets. Don't forget the minerals. Potassium, copper, and selenium are abundant in mushrooms, helping regulate blood pressure, support skin health, and boost immune function. Finally, mushrooms offer beneficial compounds like polysaccharides and ergosterol. These boost immune health and provide antioxidant benefits. So, there you have it. Mushrooms are a nutrient-dense powerhouse, perfect for almost any diet. Add them to your meals and enjoy the myriad of health benefits they bring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.